Today I'm going to teach you that exact viral formula to produce minimal house hits like this. Inspired by viral artists as Just Baker, XD, and by the end of the video you'll be able to create a top 10 minimal house beatboard banger. So let's straight up into it. First set the BPM to around 132. Because these minimal tracks tend to have quite a high BPM. Then pick a vocal from the After Hours pack. Let's go for this kind of gospel vocal. Gospel and house is such a cool combination, so
looking for the sun.
So then we're gonna dive in the drums. It's dropped around here, so start off with a kick. Let's go to the strip loop section. And pick a kick. Of course we need to fit them all to the tempo. And make a small kick fill at the start of the drop. Right here. Then we're gonna add in the basic drums. So go for this clap loop. And finish it off with an open head loop. Give us this basic foundation. Then just add some more groove to it with a perk loop. And arrange it like this. And just drop in another head loop in the second part of the drop to add some more variation to it. We're also gonna drop the vocal back in the second part of the drop. And then we're just gonna quickly mix the drums and the drum bass. First add some compression. Soft clipping to really bring out the loudness. Some transient shaper to compensate for the lack of transient with the compression. And end the smell to use in the build up. Giving this effect. So that's it for the drums. So now we're gonna continue with the bass. Let's pick a bass from the pack. Yeah, this one works perfectly. It's quite heavy. Vocal is in E minor, so let's start off on the root note. And make a rhythmic progression. Up to the third. Yeah, that's solid. So duplicate it and make a little variation at the end. And down to the 7th note of the scale. It's a little bit thin right now, so we're gonna mix it. First some distortion. Really opens up the sub, but also brings a bit too much high end. And remove the resonating frequency. Make it mono in the sub. And boost the really sub end with an R bass. And of course finish it off with some sidechain. All together sounding like this. You got a foundation ready, so now it's time to spice it up or bring it to life with some of those minimal plugs. So add in a new Serum and pick some plugs. First, let's go for this sine plug. Start on the root note. And make a really simple plug. And then it progress. Like this, down to the 7th. It's really simple and really minimal, but together with some sidechain, it will bring the track to life. Then we're gonna add in another Serum and make a second melody. Let's use this sine plug. Start off on the root again, but this time it will be some sort of a fill melody. Just like this. With a root, 4th, 5th and root again. And finish it like this. Together sounding like this. Sounds a bit weird right now because the other one isn't sidechained. So just sidechain it. And add some reverb and delay. Sounding like this. Then we're gonna spice it up some more with some chord steps. Let's go for this saw chord. Start off on the root. And just build up the chord to one huge chord stack. And add some dissonance to it with this 7th chord. Yeah, that's perfect. Just like this. Then remove the low end. Open up a stereo field. Some reverb and delay. Together with the sidechain. And then just layer it with an acid shot. Right here. So altogether the melodic synth stack sounds like this. We got almost all the elements ready, so now it's time to arrange it and spice it up with some more ambiances. So let's go for this dreamy one. And another one, and just give them a sidechain, something like this. And just dip the volume. So now it's just a matter of arranging it, just like this. First I'm gonna copy over everything, but then we're gonna remove some elements, so I don't want drums playing in a breakdown. Same for the bass. And just the main plug. Maybe the head will sound dope. So just added this and a smile animation on the drums. Building it up some more. And we're gonna keep it minimal for the intro as well. And then I simply just added some animations. And some effects. So the sidechain is disabled. And the breakdown right here. Together with this string. And the smell. So that's how you make a minimal house for a black artist as looked in. So the final results sound really dope in my opinion. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and I'll see y'all in the next videos.